Hello everyone. Today we are going to see Kimi Slides. It is an AI powered presentation generator from Moonshot AI. Instead of spending hours creating PowerPoint presentation, we can just describe what we want and Kimi will do it automatically. What is Kimi Slide basically? So, it is part of a Kimi AI ecosystem and is designed to handle the entire presentation workflow. So, it doesn't just design slide, it helps with research, structuring, visual organization, and presentation creation all in single place. So, for this demo, I have already created a slide as it takes around 30 to 60 minutes as we can see for this building and for visually building it is powered by Nano Banana, but it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Like we can see for example like this, it's generated by Kimi only using AI Nano Banana. So you can see how funky, cool, and cool it is. Like we can see here, these are some more. But we have used this freestyle mode. So here's our prompt. It is for creating a PowerPoint presentation for client about our startup of luxury streetwear, for Gen Z. Our brand vision and slogan: we don't follow trends, we create them. So yeah, let's see what it built. So like it's I have given how what each slide to contain, what to not contain. Yeah, so it takes a pretty good amount of time for building this. You can see how well this did it. It also gave us this information like the structure, cover, that it generated cover and also highlight of every page. Yeah, so let's see this slide. It's pretty cool actually. It follows our design theme of a site. So you can see it also generated these images too. So we can notice how AI already organized the information into clear section and created a consistent visual style and structured the content into professional presentation format. The slide is also fully editable, so we can customize the text layout, image, chart, or anything we want. Like insert text, we can insert text, graphic, images, even. So yeah, like we can also add new slides. We can export it into formats like PPT and also PDF. So Kimi slide demonstrate how AI is transforming presentation creation by combining content generation, research assistance, and slide design into single workflow. It enable user to go from an idea to professional presentation in just few minutes. We just give it a prompt and it generated a pretty good and presentable slide that we can use in our business. Whether we are a student or an educator, a marketer, consultant, or any business professional, we can significantly reduce time spent in creating presentation while maintaining high level of quality and visual appeal. So we can see that here are more more information, like we can also edit. We can also show it directly. We can also present a slide directly from the site only. So yeah, we can also change the number of slides. Like if I want to increase number of slides in the final PPT, I can also change the number of slides, like up to 30 pages. We can also use these pre-built tablet and use them, like use these style for our generation. Like you can see these all are generated using Nano Banana, but using the power of Kimi, how Kimi manages everything. So yeah, that's the